Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a level. So the first thing we need to do is go to one of these elevations first. You can choose any of those. For this case, I'm just gonna choose south. And if you want to add an elevation, you can see the tool is right here, LL. The shortcut is LL. Click on it and draw a line. And if you want to change the name of it, just click the box. Just gonna rename it top and change the height to 30. And then you have it. So sometimes the level doesn't show up on the floor plans. So we're lucky that it shows up today. If it doesn't show up, you just need to go to view and then go to plan views, floor plan, and you'll see the floor, the levels that are not show up here is listed here. If you want the level 1 BO footing to show up, just click on it and hit OK. And now you have it. It's right here. So this is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.